Based on the question, we can say that yes, the axiom or principle is associated with Aristotle's political philosophy, particularly in his work Politics. And let's also say that Aristotle believed that the good of the city state, polis, or nation was of higher value and importance than individual or a personal interest. And this concept is a fundamental idea in his ethical and political philosophy. Let me help you with this answer over here. Let's say it's yes. This axiom or principle is associated associated with Aristotle's with Aristotle's political philosophy political